I'm Michele Rahal with Vent2 Media. This is this week's edition of Automotive News. We call it The Drive. Stick around because this one isn't too nice. Over the last several decades, auto manufacturers have moved their technologies towards what they consider more efficient systems of vehicle operation, or what the industry calls X-by-wire. What that is more corporate word speak. What it really means is that the throttle, brakes, traction control, you name it, they're all controlled by electronic impulse, no more mechanical linkage. Well, these systems are mini computers, or for more corporate word speak, electronic control units. Simply put, they take over your car's functions that in the past were mechanical in nature. Some of these cars actually have over 70 of these ECUs in one vehicle. From steering and fuel delivery to power windows, door locks, climate control systems. They've all got their own little brains that actually talk to a master brain. Well, in theory, that should seem to work. Unfortunately, in practice, it doesn't always work that way. Just watch the news. So now we've taken F-22 Raptor technology that works like a Swiss watch, but guess what? If something goes wrong, you can push a button and bail out of an F-22 Raptor at 800 miles an hour. At 120 miles an hour in a Toyota, here's my suggestion. Put your head between your knees and kiss your ass goodbye. No mechanical redundancies built into these systems. When you introduce electronics to control minor things like steering, fuel delivery, braking, or get this, parallel parking your car. Here's a news flash, ladies and gentlemen. If you can't parallel park a car, you are an idiot and you don't need to be driving. That's the inherent problem you run into with these types of malfunctions. They've got no trail to follow. Years ago with these systems, if a problem occurred, this technology was more simplistic. You could plug it into a box, it'd spit out a code, remedial at best, to tell the technician what went wrong at some point in the past. Well, unfortunately, these systems have become so complex, they don't leave a trail to follow anymore. It's kind of like Quaaludes. Toyota's the latest to be vilified by what's known as unintended acceleration. It's not a surprise to me that it's happened. It's happened before. It's going to happen again. Flying or driving anything. It doesn't have a mechanical override in it. Should scare the hell out of you and make you think twice about operating it. Or is it operating you? Give this some thought. An F-22 Raptor's over $160 million. A Lexus or Mercedes is about $70,000. Now, which one of those machines do you think has got a better chance of zero malfunction? I rest my case. I'm Michele Rahal. No apologies.